What is logical positivism? Logical positivism is the direct result of the revision of positivism through the years. As we may already know, the positivism of Auguste Comte and Ernst Mach dealt only with the phenomena that are directly observable. By the early 20th century, this position was viewed as unrealistic by many scholars. Scientists during the early 20th century had made major studies on theoretical concepts that are not directly observable, such as gravity, magnetism, atoms, force, and electrons. Hence, scholars had to find a way for science to account for these entities through the employment of a theory without running the risk of falling into the pit of metaphysical speculation. The solution to this problem was provided by logical positivism. The logical positivists then divided science into two major parts, namely the empirical and the theoretical. Thus, logical positivism wedded together empiricism and rationalism. Here, the observable aspect of science refers to empirical events, while the theoretical aspect attempts to explain that which is observed. However, it must be noted that the logical positivists did not undermine the importance of empirical observation. As a matter of fact, the ultimate authority for the logical positivists is empirical observation, and theories are considered useful only if they help explain what is observed. As is well known, logical positivism was a view of science developed by the Vienna Circle around 1924. The philosophers of the Vienna Circle combined the positivism of Comte and Mach with the rigors of formal logic. For these philosophers, abstract theoretical concepts were allowed only if such terms can be logically tied to empirical observations. With this, an operational definition of logical positivism is arrived at. The philosophy of science, according to which theoretical concepts are admissible if they are tied to the observable world through operational definition.